I'd had one career, long term, 25 years, working for a particular organisation, and that organisation went through a restructure. So I decided to take up the offer of voluntary redundancy. And then I thought, well, I'd like to have a new career now. So because I was already a volunteer on a ward for older people with psychiatric problems, I thought I'd like to become a mental health nurse.
Emyr went through a very, very difficult time. He ended up out of work. He lost his father, his mother was ill, and he became a carer for his mother.
My mum has a dementia diagnosis, and she was at home during the first year and a half when I was doing the course. The latter part of the course she went into hospital, and the distances were quite vast really, because I was going to university in Bangor and she was in hospital in Glenclwyd. Some weeks I was doing 400, 500 miles a week, just travelling to university or placement locations. My course has enabled me to become a qualified nurse. I'm a mental health nurse, and it's also enabled me to get the job that I wanted. I did do quite a lot of placements during my degree, and obviously that's a good way of finding out what field you want to go into. But I actually stuck to my initial plan. I wanted to work with older people, so I'm now a community psychiatric nurse working with older people in the community in the county of Conwy.
He's taken to it like a duck to water, and to be honest with you, I think community development's loss is mental health nursing's gain.
I've already started a part-time course, a Master of Science degree in Dementia Studies in Bangor University, so my studies are continuing. I'm very fortunate in that Betsy Cadwell at the local health board are actually funding that course and are allowing me to go every Monday to Bangor University to undertake that course. I've also recently as well managed to secure a Band 6 nursing post in the same team that I'm working with. So obviously my learning has made a huge difference.
Emyr, I can't think of a more worthy winner. You're an inspiration to anybody that you can achieve anything if you have the mind to achieve it, and well done.
I'm sure there are a lot more people who are more worthy than me. However, if I can inspire anybody else midlife to change their career, I would encourage them to do it, because I will have been very fortunate, because I will have had one very rewarding career, and I'm now embarking, well, I've started already on another career which is enabling me to help other people, specifically people with dementia and mental health problems.